In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Gumroad's support system efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned seller or a new user, knowing how to contact support is essential for resolving any issues you might encounter. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to head over to the Gumroad website. You can easily do this by typing Gumroad into your browser's search bar, usually located at the top of your internet window. Hit the Enter key and you should see the Gumroad website listed in your search results. Click on it and you'll be directed to the home page. Here you'll find various resources and options available to you. But today, our goal is to focus on seeking help, particularly if something goes awry or if you have some questions that need answering. Now that you're on the Gumroad homepage, look towards the bottom of the page for a link labeled Help. It's usually part of the footer and should be quite easy to find. Giving this a click will bring you to Gumroad's Support Center. This Support Center is designed to be a comprehensive resource for users, filled with articles and frequently asked questions that can help you troubleshoot common issues. But sometimes we need a more direct approach, and that's where the option to create a new support ticket comes into play. Once you're on the Help page, you'll want to look for the option that says New Ticket. This is your gateway to getting personalized assistance from the Gumroad support staff. When you click New Ticket, you'll be taken to a form where you can describe your issue in detail. It's a good idea to provide as much context as possible about your problem. This helps the support team to understand your situation more clearly and work towards a resolution more quickly. Remember, clear and concise communication in this step can drastically reduce the back and forth and get your issue solved in less time. After you fill out the form with your issue, simply hit the Submit button to send it off to Gumroad's support team. They'll receive your request and typically respond within a specified time frame, depending on their current volume of support tickets. Keep an eye on your email for their response, as they will likely get in touch with you this way. And there you have it. It's as simple as that. Navigating to the Help page and filling out a ticket when you need assistance ensures that you can get back to focusing on what you do best. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide to contacting Gumroad support helpful. If you're ever in a bind, just revisit this walkthrough and you'll be sorted in no time.